You only get one shot at winning your personal injury case, and these 6 steps could be the difference between a full recovery and walking away with less than you deserve. I'll walk you through exactly how to build a strong personal injury case so you can move forward with confidence and clarity. Hi, I'm attorney Greg Oberg. For over 30 years, my firm and I have been fighting for injured Texans to help them achieve maximum compensation for their injuries. If you or a loved one have been hurt in an accident, let's talk. Give us a call at 972-682-9700 for a free consultation. All right, let's get into it. Here's where to start if you want to build a strong case. Tip number 1, get immediate medical attention. The very first thing you need to do after an accident is get checked out by a doctor. Even if you feel okay or think the pain will go away on its own, don't skip this. Injuries like concussions, internal bleeding, or spinal damage aren't always obvious right away. A delay in treatment doesn't just hurt your health, but it can hurt your case. Insurance companies love to argue that if you don't go to the doctor right away, you weren't really hurt. Getting medical help creates a record, a timeline that links your injuries directly to the accident, and that record becomes your foundation. Without it, the rest of your case is on shaky ground. Tip number 2, gather relevant evidence. Once your health is stable, evidence is the next priority. This includes pictures of the accident scene, your injuries, the other vehicle or hazard involved, and any damaged property. If there were witnesses, get their names and phone numbers. Don't assume the police report will capture everything. It often won't. And don't rely upon your memory months down the road. Save text messages, emails, and anything related to the crash or your injuries. If you keep a daily log of your pain levels, medications, doctor visits, and how the injury affects your life, even better. The goal is simple. Show, don't just tell. The more proof you have, the harder it becomes for the insurance company to downplay your claim. Tip number 3, work with an experienced personal injury attorney. Not every lawyer understands how to handle a personal injury case, especially in Texas, where insurance laws and trial rules can vary county by county. You need someone who's walked this road many times, who knows how to take up a case properly and prepare it for trial, even if it never gets there. An experienced lawyer will help you avoid common mistakes, gather the right documentation, and deal with aggressive insurance tactics. Most importantly, they'll give you an honest assessment of your case, whether it's strong, needs work, or should be settled. Think of your attorney as a guide through a system that's not built to make things easy for injured people. Tip number 4, don't discuss your case with anyone other than your lawyer. This is where people often get tripped up. You might think it's harmless to talk to your coworkers or post something to social media, but those words can come back to hurt you. Insurance companies and defense attorneys will comb through your posts, texts, and even private messages if they get access. If you say, "I'm doing okay," in a message or a post, or you post a vacation picture, they'll use it to argue that you're really not injured. Even casual conversations with friends can be twisted. So keep it simple. Talk to your doctor about your injuries and talk to your lawyer about your case. That's it. Silence is your best protection. Tip number 5, expect that the case may take a while. One of the hardest parts about a personal injury case is waiting. People think it's going to wrap up in a few weeks or months, but real cases, especially serious ones, take time. Doctors need to fully understand your injuries and treatment plan. Your attorney needs to gather evidence, file paperwork, and sometimes wait on medical records or expert evaluations. Then there's the back and forth with the insurance company, possible mediation, and trial prep. Rushing to settle too early often means you'll miss out on fair compensation. A good case takes patience, but the result can be worth it. Tip number 6. A settlement may be your best option. You've probably heard stories where people went to trial and won big or lost everything. The truth is, most personal injury cases settle before ever going to court. And that's not a bad thing. A fair settlement can save you time, reduce risk, and get money in your hands when you need it the most. But here's the catch. It has to be the right settlement. Your attorney should negotiate from a position of strength based on strong evidence and a willingness to go to court if needed. Settlement isn't about giving in, but it's about knowing what's enough and when to walk away. A good attorney won't pressure you either way. They'll show you the options, explain the risks, and help you choose what's best for you. So, when do you need a personal injury lawyer? If you've been hurt in a car crash, a fall, or an accident caused by someone else's carelessness, and you're feeling overwhelmed by the bills, insurance calls, or recovery, you don't have to go through this alone. The sooner you talk to a lawyer, the more protected you'll be. And the earlier you start building your case, the stronger it will be. At Oberg Law Office, we focus on giving each client the time, attention, and strategy they need to move forward. If you've been in a car accident and you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about what to do next, you don't have to figure it out alone. I'm attorney Greg Oberg. At Oberg Law Office, we've been helping injured Texans for over 30 years, and we're here for you too. If you or someone you care about was hurt in a crash, call us at 972-682-9700. Let's talk about what happened and what your options may be. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and check out the next one.